Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, we got another good one for you today. We're going to be trying something brand new. This has just come out on the market. This is Uncle Steve Shake Competition Pig Powder. Something brand new. This is all we're going to use. We're going to do some St. Louis style ribs. So let's get into the cook. I've pulled the membrane off, cleaned them up a little bit. And so what I'm going to do is I'm only going to put one thing on it. And this is something brand new. This is Uncle Steve Shake. This is Competition Pig Powder. This is something new for pork that Uncle Steve Shake has come out with. And so I'm going to take and be generous. As I said, this is the only thing, the only rub that I'm going to put on these. And let's do a nice healthy coating the rub. I understand this is really good stuff. This is the first I've tried of this. Isn't that pretty? And here we go again. It smells great. All right, Uncle Steve, we put a nice little dent in this bottle. And I'm gonna let this sweat in before I put it on the pit barrel, which is what we're gonna use today to cook it. And when I get ready to put them on, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, it's time to put them on. And this time, we're gonna hang these ribs. Now, you see I've gone 2 bones down to put this hook through. And if you're doing baby backs or something like that, you've got a large end and a small end on these ribs, you always hook them up on the large end. But I like to go 2 bones down. And I'm gonna put all 4 of these on and try to space them out a little bit. We've got the charcoal going good. I've got one pretty good sized piece of pecan wood or pecan wood, depending on where you're from. And that's all 4. We're gonna close the lid. And we'll be back in about 2 hours and see how she's doing. And when we do, we'll bring you back. Okay, we're 2 hours in. Let's see. Get my little hook here. All right, as I said, 2 hours in. Let's take it off the hook here. And yeah, okay, we're starting to get decent color. All right, we still got a ways to go with these. We're starting to get good pullback. Let's look at another one. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we're starting to get good pullback. They're starting to get tender, but just by looking at them, I would say we're at least another hour. So let's cover him back up, and we'll check him again in about an hour. When we do, we'll bring you back. Okay. Well, 4 hours in. And let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we're getting some good pullback. Oh yeah. Pretty color. Look at the caramel color on these ribs. Oh yeah. Yep. These ribs are done. All right. Now, a family request. I'm gonna take glaze these boys. Suit me just not to glaze them, but when you're feeding your family, they ask, that's what you do. So, all right, glaze them down good. Now, this isn't straight out of the refrigerator. You've heard me say it before. You don't want to go straight from the refrigerator to your meat, because cold barbecue sauce, you just end up with a gloppy mess. No bueno. So I took this, actually I didn't remember, I cheated. I put it in the microwave for just a minute and warmed it up, stirred it up, and let it sit on the counter a little bit. I'd forgotten to take it out, but I didn't overcook it or whatever. Oh my goodness, that is looking pretty. All right, well, let me sauce up the rest of these, and I'll bring you back when it's time to take them off. We've let this sauce set, and let's take them off here. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty. Let's see. Oh yeah. Believe these are gonna do. Let's take them off. Take them inside, let them rest for a minute. We'll cut them up. We'll see what we got. We'll bring you back. Okay, well, we've let them rest. Let's cut into these. Cut a few, see what we got here. Oh my goodness, I'm cutting like butter. All right. There we go. Just off the bone. Let's see. Oh my goodness. See that smoke ring? Now, this is my favorite part. Just like everybody says. Okay. Let's try a bite. Came off the bone clean. It's just as tender as it can be. Uncle Steve, that competition pig powder, That's the stuff. Okay, well, thanks for hanging around, seeing how these turned out. If you haven't already, hit this circle over here to subscribe. Give us a like, make a comment. We'll have a video for you on this side. Until the next time, hang tight.